right, we're gonna put together my new car mount. It's got the MagSafe magnetic circle, so it's nice and easy to put my phone on because I have that little circle on my case. First thing it wants you to do is wipe down the surface with this wet wipe it provides. I already did that. This is an extra wet wipe, so we're good to go. I'm gonna put it right over here somewhere. Haven't totally decided. Other than that, there's a few different bags with different pieces in there, so we'll dive in. There's a book that shows you how to install all these little pieces. Pretty simple. The very first step is to affix the mount onto the dashboard or wherever you're putting it, and it says to let it set for 5 hours before using because you don't want that weight to deter from the stickiness drying. Next up, we need to unlock this wide enough so that it'll fit over the ball joint here on the mount. And when you're going to put this on, don't be afraid to press a little hard. You need to press this mount piece on until it snaps onto the ball. You're not going to break it, but it is a little bit of pressure, maybe more than you're expecting, or at least it was for me. Okay, slight adjustment. Putting it here did not allow my phone to sit exactly how I needed it to. Now I accounted for this when I wiped the area. I wiped like up here, everything on here. So that way if I had to move it somewhere else, it was fine. I didn't just wipe the one spot that I was pretty sure I was gonna put it. But anyway, there is also an extra sticky pad, but I didn't have mine on there for very long at all. So when I picked it up to move it, I'm very confident that it'll still be on there. It's got like a really great hold on it. So for me, this was the right position because when I go to film, it'll be right at me. Whereas this, it was kind of like looking upward and I didn't want that. I've got it unlocked just a little bit in the back, a little loose, so that I can pivot it around and show you. But as soon as I find my right spot, once I let it set, I don't want to play with it too much while it's setting. I'm gonna just lock it in place because then I'll be ready to go. Nice and easy. It's very sturdy. I think it's a little more costly than some of the other mounts I've seen, but it's absolutely worth it. The sturdiness, I got the carbon black one because I think it looks the nicest in my all black interior. Absolutely worth it. Easy to install, highly recommend.